What's going on? This is Daniel the Green Cabbie, and today we're going to make chicken pizza crust. This is keto friendly, high in protein, a little bit of fat in there, and it is going to be tasty if you don't like bread, dough, or flour. This is one of two variations we're going to make in a series. This first one here, we're going to take just regular canned chicken. We're going to go ahead and use 1 egg and a half cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. First, we're going to crush it and get all of the water out here. Then we're going to take a paper towel and we're going to go ahead and try to get the rest of the moisture out of there. We're going to give it a quick squeeze. Alright, so we try to get all of that moisture out of there. You see that there? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put that inside of our bowl. We're going to get 1 egg inside. One half cup of fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. We're going to go ahead and mix. Crushing. Get a nice sticky consistency. We're going to go ahead and take this and throw it right on the baking sheet. Go ahead and smush that out, get it nice and flat. Maybe attack it with a little bit of a roller. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven at 475 for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so I did 7 minutes here. The first side is done. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over so that we can cook the other side real quick. I'm going to do another 5 minutes on this side to go ahead and brown it up a little bit. All right, the crust is done. Pretty pliable here, easy to cut. We're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 of a cup of our favorite sauce. Spread your sauce along the top. And for me, I like extra sauce. You don't necessarily have to have this much on top for yourself, but me, I am a sauce lover. So you can always get away, with 1/8 of a cup on this. Now on top, you can go ahead and add about a half cup of your favorite mozzarella or mozzarella mixture cheese. Throw on some of your favorite meats on top. I'm going to be a little bit naughty and add about 1 ounce of onions on top as well. Onions are one of my favorite things. Gonna add a little bit of cheddar jack mix on top just to melt them in. Go ahead and throw it back in the oven for about 3 minutes to go ahead and melt all the cheeses together. All right, we are ready to rock. Okay, let's go ahead and get in and cut into this. So the the texture is pretty pliable here. Here is the back of the crust right there. Front of the pizza. So it's pretty good. You can actually taste the chicken coming through, a little bit of the saltiness. You can taste a little bit of the dark meat because I use dark meat on there as well. It does have a good pizza texture, good pizza flavor. It does have a little bit more of a springiness, chewiness to it, because I guess because it has meat in it. But this is a good hearty option. You can taste it, feeling pretty heavy and good when it goes down. So you could eat this and it could be pretty filling. I would probably try this again. It was pretty simple to make, especially if you don't want to be using a lot of the almond flours, coconut flour, stuff like that. With the flavor, it kind of neutralizes the pizza sauce a little bit. The chicken flavor does come through. So if you're a big fan of chicken, this might be good. We are also going to be trying a ground chicken recipe, very similar to this one. So go ahead and check out up here. We'll go ahead and have a link to that, see how that goes and see which one we like better. But this one's pretty good. I'd give it a thumbs up. I would use it again. It's definitely not going to taste better than, say, like a Domino's pizza or, you know, my favorite, the H-E-B thin crust. But it's pretty yummy. It's pretty yummy. And I would definitely make it again. And we will see how the ground chicken one tastes and if that one's any better. But this one is good, and I would definitely cook it again, definitely eat again. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other video to see if you like that one better. And thank you for joining us today. Talk to you later.